afternoon, respected Principal Sir, Mr. Alok Sharma Sir, respected Pre-Primary Headmistress, Mrs. Rashmi Kulkarni Ma'am, our loving supervisor, Mrs. Jaswinder Ma'am, and all the other teachers and students present here. I, Priyani Ravde of Class 8C, welcome you all for celebrating One Mahotsav Week. Let us start our program by remembering the Almighty. Please join your hand and close your eyes for the prayer. Thank you, Shravani, for making our day pleasant. Now I request Vishaka of Class 12 to give a speech on importance of tree plantation.
And myself, Vishaka from 12 Commerce, keeping my point of view on today's topic, tree plantation. Tree plantation is the process of transferring seeds from one place to another in a different purpose. There are the various reasons behind the tree plantation, but the most important is the forestry, land claymation, and landscaping. The most important ones. The tree plantation is important and unique for maintaining the ecology balance of the environment. Earlier, the earth used to be covered with the forest, but now, because of the industries and the settlements, they are reducing the level of forest area. Many NGOs and organizations voluntarily have started planting. It is one of the easiest way to increase the greenery in the world. Now, people have also realized that we have to start contributing in this. The government should also support in the cause of wholeheartedly. So, in advanced way to project this in the biggest level of doing now. To conclude this, the time is coming to realize the importance of the things. Save trees. Don't let them become the thing of past. The leaves will only be seen in the museum because we can't afford the excessive deforestation. Thank you.
Thank you, Vishaka, for such an informative speech. Now I request Nitin sir to show the video presentation of tree plantation by Honorable Kadam sir, our principal sir and teacher, and the other one by students.
Thank you, Priyani.
सहकार्याचे प्रतीक येथे आहे, प्रतीक येथे आहे.
सहकार्याचे
respected teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Arushi Ullasgedi and today I am going to plant a sapling. First, I have taken an empty flower pot and I put some mud in it. And then I take the sapling and plant in it. And then again I take some mud and put it around the sapling. And then I will pour water in it. And then I will water it around the sapling. We should always save plants and trees, and we should always save our earth. Thank you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Hello everyone, my name is Aishwarya Isal from 7th and today I am going to plant a indoor tree. And today I would like to speak about Vanamotsav is an annual one-week tree plantation day in India which is celebrated in first week of July. So today I am going to plant one indoor tree. And also 9th July is an tree plantation day. So first I have take a small pot and this is my succulent tree which I am going to plant. Before watering any indoor plants, make sure to put it in a container. These are my all indoor plants. So these are my all outdoor plants. They are.
Good morning, teachers and all dear my friends. Today I am planting a new plant.
आवाज येतोय.
Good morning, teachers and students. My name is Shravan Matarfur. Today we are plant. Thank you.
Good evening. My name is Abdullah and I am from class 5th A. Today I am planting a sapling. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Priyani Rowde of class 8 and today I am going to plant a sapling on account of Van Mahotsav week. As you can see, I have took some soil over here and now I am going to loosen the soil so that air and water can penetrate in it. I think it has loosened enough. So now I am going to plant my Tulsi sapling. So to first plant my Tulsi sapling, I need to dig up a hole. While digging up a hole, I would like to say a few benefits of Tulsi plant. Tulsi, as we all know, Tulsi is a medicinal plant. We can eat its raw leaf. It helps us in boosting our immunity and improving our skin. The soil so that its roots get deep inside. Planted my Tulsi plant now. Hope you all plant at least one plant in this Van Mahotsav week. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Ritvik Patil from class 7th A. Replantation drive is our duty. Trees provide us alternative fuel options, food for cattle, help in soil conservation and prevent floods. They also help us in preventing global warming and reduce pollution. So we should at least plant one tree every year. So today on occasion of tree plantation day, I am going to plant one sapling. So first we have to add a little sand at the bottom of the pot. We have to add a layer of soil. So we have to add a little coconut husk or humus to provide nutrient to the soil. And don't forget to water your plant. So friends, don't spoil the scenery by destroying the greenery. Thank you.
This is Tulsi plant. We need to put a mud and water. This is money plant. We need to also put water or mud or seeds to put this plant grow. And this is bamboo plant. We need to put mud and water. It also need a sunlight also. And this is mud. We need to put mud. Now this is
Hello everybody, myself Takshi Verma from class 7C, and today I am going to do plant sapling of Tulsi. Tulsi is very well known plant and used in many medicines from an ancient time. The botanical name of Tulsi is Ocimum sancta. Tulsi is from Lasiaceae family and used in many Ayurveda. A glass of water with Tulsi keeps body healthy. A warm cup of tea with Tulsi helps in digestive system. Tulsi is used in many Ayurveda. Thank you.
my respected teachers and my all dear friends. We are growing this small plant into this bigger pot to make grow him larger, and we have grown different plants in our balcony.
This is
This is
Rose.
this
this is Genda
Genda
and
this
aloe
is
vera.
aloe vera.
aloe vera. ठीक है? Apart from this,
We should grow larger plants in our surrounding to save our environment.
thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Okay, ma'am. Now I will hand over to Purnima Miss for the vote of thanks.
Headmistress, pre-primary section, supervisor ma'am, teachers, students, on behalf of Bharati Vidyapeeth English Medium School, I feel immense pleasure to deliver a vote of thanks. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the director, Bharati Vidyapeeth English Medium School, Navi Mumbai, Honorable Dr. Vilas Rauji Kadam sir, who spared precious time from his busy schedule to grace this occasion. Thank you for inspiring and encouraging all of us by planting a sapling in our school premises. I would further extend hearty thanks to our principal sir for his support and guidance. I must thank the organizing team of teachers for working hard for the past few days to make this event successful. My deep sense of thanks and appreciation goes to all the participants who were live with us, students who planted saplings, students and teachers attending this webinar with great enthusiasm made today's event a great success. Let us all take a pledge to save our environment and to save trees. He who plants a tree plants hope for the future. Thank you and have a thoughtful day ahead.